Using the ChatGPT AI tool is a simple and intuitive process. Whether you're looking for assistance, engaging in a conversation, or seeking information, ChatGPT is designed to provide helpful responses and engage in meaningful interactions. To make the most out of your experience, here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively use the ChatGPT AI tool. Introduction. Begin by greeting the AI tool, such as saying, "Hello," or "Hi there." Ask a question, state your query or topic of interest clearly. Be specific, providing as much relevant information as possible to receive accurate responses. Review the answer. ChatGPT will generate a response based on the input you provided. Take a moment to read and understand the answer. If it requires further clarification, proceed to the next step. Seek clarification. If the answer provided by ChatGPT is unclear or you need more information, feel free to ask follow-up questions or request additional details. For example, you could ask, "Could you elaborate on that?" Or, "Can you provide more examples?" Provide context. If the AI tool is struggling to understand your question, consider providing more context or background information. This can help guide the AI and provide better tailored responses. Stay on topic. Maintain focus on your original question or topic to keep the conversation coherent. If you want to change the subject, you can explicitly state the new topic to shift the discussion. Ask for examples or analogies. If you find it helpful, request real-life examples or analogies to enhance your understanding of a concept. This can assist in making complex ideas more accessible. Utilize prompts. If you're unsure what to ask next, you can request suggestions or prompts from the AI tool. For instance, you could say, "Can you tell me more about specific topic?" Or, "What are some common uses of specific technology?" Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore the capabilities of ChatGPT. Ask questions from various fields, engage in debates, or even try creative writing prompts. The AI tool is designed to adapt to different types of conversations. Be patient. While ChatGPT strives to provide accurate and helpful responses, it may occasionally generate incorrect or nonsensical answers. If this happens, rephrase your question or provide additional context to guide the AI tool towards a better response. Enjoy the conversation. Engaging with ChatGPT is meant to be an enjoyable and informative experience. Appreciate the opportunity to learn and converse with a language model that can provide a vast array of knowledge and perspectives. Remember that ChatGPT is an AI language model and doesn't possess real-world experiences or opinions. It relies on the information available to it during training. Exercise critical thinking and verify information from reliable sources when necessary. By following these steps, you can make the most of your interactions with the ChatGPT AI tool and have engaging and informative conversations. Enjoy exploring the vast realm of knowledge and ideas that ChatGPT has to offer.